Good morning, everyone. My name is Nerissa H. Corpin, and I'm going to show you. Actually, this is my module written during pandemic time. So I became one of the course creator here in Dasmariñas, and this module was already uh, approved by the division of Dasmariñas. So it is the course guide, which is downloaded or uploaded in the LMS platform, which is the Moodle here in Dasmariñas, and it is served as the guide for the users of the platform. So we write first for the course description or introductory narrative for the parents and learners. Then we have the content standard, performance standard, and most learning competencies that are included in this module. And then we have here the topic for the week 1. So it is for quarter 1, Mathematics 6, and we have 8 topics. So for week 1, we have the title of the lesson, which is the adding and subtracting simple fractions and mixed numbers and solving routine and non-routine problems involving addition and or subtraction of fractions. So as you see here in the screen, we included here the duration wherein the learners will answer the task and study the lesson within 1 week. And we also included here the most essential learning competencies and the outputs and activities to be completed. So we have here the learning task 1.1 up to 1.4 so that the learners will be guided throughout their answering and using the LMS Moodle. So actually, we first write this module and we transfer it to the Moodle. It is our guide. So we follow the idea concept. First is the introduction, development, and engagement until assimilation. So from week 1 up to week 8, we follow that pattern. So for us to be able to show to the users that a certain for example, we have here learning resources. So when we say learning resources, it is the topics or the lesson that have to read by the learners. So they have to study it first. Then after that, we have learning tasks so that the learners will know that they have to answer the different tasks here in the module. Example, we have learning task 3.1, let's practice. So if it is learning task 3.1, it means that 3 means week 3 and 1 means learning task for that week 3. Here in learning task 3.3, it is from week 3 and task 3. So that learners will be guided and can easily understand what they are going to do for using this module. So in week 5, for example, let's go to week 5. Here, so as you see from week 1 to week 5, the pattern is same so that the module has harmony. Hindi masakit sa mata. So yon, it is shown here the title, the duration also, the milk, and the outputs needed to be completed by the users. So it is, I'm going to make it pass up to week 8. So that's it. Now I'm going to show you the platform wherein we transferred that module. So this is the LMS used by the Division of Dasmariñas during pandemic, and we transferred our module here. For example, I'm going to click that for lesson 1. So we have here adding and subtracting